Start by selecting the poem title heading on the page. Next, switch to the Visual Controls panel by clicking the icon in the Panel tab. The Visual Controls panel is a powerful interface that exposes all the design properties defined by your active framework, which in this case is Bootstrap. If this were a Tailwind CSS project, Pinegrow would automatically detect it and display the specific Tailwind visual controls here instead. CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind define comprehensive sets of utility classes for controlling colors, typography, spacing, and layout. Pinegrow's Visual Controls panel allows you to visually browse and apply these properties without needing to remember or type the specific class names. For example, let's look at the text color section. Simply hovering your mouse over a color swatch will instantly preview that text color on your selected element in the main view. To actually apply the color change permanently, just click on the value you want to select. This visual workflow applies to all the controls in this panel. It provides a very fast and intuitive way to experiment with and apply different Bootstrap styling classes. Take a look at the active classes list at the top of the panel, and if the list is currently collapsed, click on it to expand it. Notice that any adjustment we make in the visual controls below is immediately reflected in the class list above. This is because these visual controls are direct mappings to the framework's utility classes. For instance, selecting the underline icon automatically adds the corresponding text decoration underline class to the element. I encourage you to explore and play with the various controls available in this panel. Experiment with the text settings. Try changing the background or adjust the spacing and layout dimensions. You will find that all the most frequently used Bootstrap utilities are conveniently accessible here. And as mentioned before, this feature is fully compatible with Tailwind CSS as well, providing you with a similar set of visual tools for Tailwind utility classes. Once you are done experimenting, click on Complete to finish this step and proceed to the next part of the tutorial.